What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Take a look at these clips on the screen real quick. Are these not the most realistic and hilarious things you've ever seen? I got to tell you, these exact clips have already smashed over 40,000 views on our channel. And get this, they were 100% generated using the absolute best AI video tool on the planet right now, Seedance 2. I know. People used to complain that Seedance 2 was only available in the Chinese market. But great news, guys. The international version of Dreamina just dropped, and Seedance 2 is officially unlocked for everyone. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is this going to cost me? The basic subscription plan for the international Dreamina is going to run you $15 a month. But here is the crazy part right now. They have a promo where you get a 7-day free trial, and your first month is only $9. With that basic tier, you get a massive 2,700 computation credits every single month if we use the Seedance 2 Fast model. Generating a 5-second video costs 70 credits. Do the math. That means you can pump out around 38 high-quality short videos every single month. For those of us grinding on YouTube Shorts, that's more than enough for daily uploads, so the value here is still absolutely insane. So we've got the tool, but how do we get the perfect prompt? For that, my go-to is Gemini. It's crazy smart, and best of all, it's completely free. You just fire up Gemini and drop in a prompt exactly like this. Once you've got your prompt, head straight over to the Dreamina website, paste that bad boy right into the prompt box. Now, pay attention to the settings here because this is crucial. Make sure you select Video AI and switch the model to Seedance 2. Since we're making a short, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and pick your video duration. Obviously, the longer the video, the more credits it eats up. So just tweak it based on whatever your script needs. Hit generate, sit back for a few seconds, and let the AI do its magic. And boom, you've got an absolutely hilarious African wildlife video. Just look at the details and the lighting here. The visual quality is next level. Honestly, the fine details and the motion physics here completely blow Sora 2 out of the water. The final step, upload your new masterpiece to YouTube. And if you're struggling to come up with a viral title that's going to pull in views, just ask Gemini to generate an SEO-optimized banger for you. And that is exactly how you make high-traffic AI videos from scratch. Super simple, right? If you want to see more insane AI tutorials, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.